This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a page in Safari online browser using your phone completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so step 1 to bookmark a page for Safari with your phone. Go to Safari and then click the URL as you can see, and basically it's going to pop this up right here on the bottom screen. You have these different options. If you don't, like I said, just click right there and it's going to pull up. The next thing you want to do is click the third option right here or in the middle screen, and basically it's the share icon, and then you want to scroll down and now you want to click the third option which says add bookmark. And now it will save the website and the URL. Then if you go to the top right hand screen, you can click save. And then to access this, you want to click this icon right here next to the bookmark and next to this icon. And as you can see, if you go to bookmarks or the first icon, you can scroll down. Now you have a list of your bookmarks in Safari on your phone completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.